Okay, so now let's create a brand positioning email. Now, this is not a direct sales email. So the call to action is not going to be focused on consummating a sale. What you're really trying to do here is communicate what makes your brand special and unique. And you really want to deepen the meaning and understanding of your product's purpose. Really, what inspired you to create this product? And ultimately, you want to build a more personal connection with your audience. So there's a few approaches you could take here. And a great place to start is really just to look at your About page. And maybe even just create an email version of your About page. And that's what we do. But our About page really is a personal message from Catherine where she talks about her inspiration for launching the brand and some of the struggles that she's had to go through in her life. You could also take an approach where if you've created a set of core values or brand pillars, you could really walk people through those and give them a sense of what you're about, what you stand for as a brand. So I'll go into MailChimp and we'll have a look at what we've done. So here we are in the dashboard here, and we'll create a new campaign. And this will be an email campaign. We'll call this the brand introduction email. So the subject will be a personal message from So Young founder Catherine Choi. And we will design the email. So we'll use our save template. I'll use our product launch template. All right, so we've taken an approach where we're actually using our About page. And it's just a note from Catherine about her inspiration behind the brand. So we'll just replace this. I have a photo of her. And we'll replace this. And I'll just grab that from our About page. Unlike the other emails, we're not going to have a headline here. I want this to have a personal feel. So it's just going to be plain text. What I'd like to do is even add a little image here at the bottom, which will have Catherine's signature in it. Align that to the left. I'll put another little bit of text underneath that. And because this is a somewhat long piece of text, I'm going to alter the style. And in terms of the line height, maybe we'll do some double spacing here. That kind of spreads it out, makes it look a little more elegant. Now in this, Catherine talks about when she was growing up, she went through a really hard period with drug addiction, and she actually has a full-length story on the blog, which is pretty inspirational, and a lot of people respond to. So I'm going to link to that here. And I'll just put, read Catherine's full story. And we'll just get rid of this at the bottom. And that story is really a big part of the brand and how she talks about the brand and relates to people as well. So it's really simple as that, keeping it personal and not getting too marketing oriented in this email. Once we get into some of the automation emails, I'll show you how you can use this approach really effectively as a lead-off email to some of your automation sequences.